Alright, so I came out here today. I was going to take my lawnmower out. I was using it yesterday, but I came out here today and I checked the tires, and sure enough, they're both flat. So this one has a puncture in the sidewall right here. And today I'm going to show you guys how to fix this. It's super easy to do. And then over here, you can see what happens on a farm. We're driving around all the time. You got some wire, got wrapped around, and went straight into the bottom of the tire. So we're going to go ahead and fix both of these, and let's get started. This is all you really need. Just a couple of plugs and the reamer, and then a plug installer. Let's go ahead and get this going. Just get it about halfway like that. We're going to take this. Now we're going to put it in here. That's all it takes. Now we'll put some air in there and see how it holds up. Fixed. Some people cut this off. I like to leave it here. It'll eventually mold itself to the tire, but that's how you do it. It's super easy. Nothing to it. I'm gonna do the other one too as well.
Driving around out here on the farm, you run into a lot of things like this where we have wires just everywhere, and it happens. So just gotta repair them on the fly, and this is how you do it. It's pretty simple.
I always like to mark my hole with some spit or something like that, just to clean it up, so I know where it's at in case the tire gets rotated or you just forget where it's at. You don't have to go find it again. There we go. Just like that.